So hello guys, I am Minalaisa Vlog from BSIT1C. So for today, I will gonna do the inductance and capacitance here in Tinkercad. But first, I will just rename it as inductance and here. So the materials we needed is first the power supply and breadboard. Just gonna grab it here, and the polarized capacitor, resistor, the LED, and the inductor. So first thing to do is I would just gonna place it here, and I would just gonna change the voltage into 10 and the current is still 5. So I would just connect the positive wirings into positive part of the breadboard and the negative to negative part of the breadboard, and just change it into black, and the positive wire is red. And after that, I would just add the polarized capacitor here, here, and I would just set the capacitance into 1000, and the voltage rating is 10 volts. So the next is the resistor. I will just gonna rotate it, and I will just place it beside the polarized capacitor. Next is the LED. I will just gonna choose the green color, and the inductance, the inductor, and I will just gonna change it into 500. So let's connect the wire. This is negative. I will just gonna change the color into black, and this one is positive. Change the color into red, and let's try the simulation. Um, this one, change it into black, start, and yeah, it's working. So that's all about the inductance and the capacitance, and thank you for watching.